مرحبا جميعا مرة ثانية. احنا كنا معك قبل شوي بلايف الكورس 4-6، هلا الفاينل كورس 6-8.
Alright everybody, good evening. It's nice to have you here at Modern Language Center. My name is Teacher Abdullah. I am the teacher of course 7 here at the center. I had a wonderful group of students that I'm very proud and honored to have and be their teacher. We are going to start our graduation ceremony, so we will start with Samah. Samah, come to the stage please. Samah is a wonderful student. She brought joy and happiness to the classroom as well as good contribution. Thank you. Next on the list is Mr. Ziyad. Mr. Ziyad, come over here. Always attentive and hardworking with an overall score of 93. Thank you very much, Ziyad.
يسعد مساكم مرة ثانية. حبينا تشاركونا توزيع الشهادات، تكملة الكورسات الإنجليزي.
شباب تفضلوا استريحوا عشان نسوي الشهادات. شباب الله يبارك استريحوا على ما نحط شهاداتكم. بعد
Thank you, Ibrahim.
But also in terms of the effort that she put in, and it does pay off. She finished with a 90%, so congratulations, Shaw.